I think this is one conversation that we get into with every client. But what I can tell you is there are at least 6-7 definitions in which clients want to look at ROI today. Average handling time that goes down to process more number of transactions because you are in a transformed or a automated state. Am I getting it right every time? What's the error rate that I have in these transactions? Percentage of time reducing in identifying transformation spaces. Now, why do I say this? If I have to look at my F&A setup today, if I have to find out what is to be automated, the time that my team is going to spend to see what can actually be automated, is going to take a significant time, right? And possible that I might miss the bus here. So what should be automated after a due diligence is another, KPI, because I want to, get automation or a transformation right the very first time. Invoice processing, your manual processing of invoices. I think this is causing a disruption in terms of transformation. So this is definitely a white space. Accounts reconciliation, from 2 parties to 3 parties to multiple parties, I think is going to be the second white space. Then intercompany reconciliations, right? Because you have multiple entities, I think is going to be a third transformation white space. So see, with revenues shrinking by at least about 10 to 30% across industries, right? Be it retail, consumer, manufacturing, technology, medical devices, pharma, etc. I think the focus is increasingly on cost efficiencies, cost reduction, and operational efficiencies. Which I think where transformation will have a significant play, and the pie is completely changing, right? From a top line perspective, organizations are now talking about at least survival, operational efficiencies. So I think if I'm looking at cost reduction, operational efficiencies, process simplification, standardization, I think it's no more a matter of luxury, right? It has to be there. I think convergence is the order of the day. The reason why we say this is if I just look at RPA, it's gone from transactional, being transactional, to being cognitive. You have the leading automation platforms, which is like 5-6 in the market today. They're all talking about combining RPA with a AI, with a OCR. So it is no more or operator. It is RPA or AI or OCR. It's actually the and operator, so that it becomes RPA and OCR, and AI and blockchain, etc., etc. Every client only talks about 2-3 core things today. One of them is ROI. The other is obviously security, and the third is any concerns that where is my data, the data concerns, right, which is slightly different from security concerns. Will my data be accessed to, will my data be tampered with? That's number one concern that I see. Is my data going to be residing out of my server or go out of my organization so that it becomes public? The number 3 is the lags in the existing transaction times. Will it slow down my existing process? Will it slow down the pace at which I work? Will it slow down my servers, etc.? So that's another concern that we see. The last but not the least, or rather the other most important concern, when I talk about security, will there be a data leakage? Today's employee is talking about a mobile gadget, it's talking about an iPad, you're talking about your official laptop. I as an employee am working from 2 to 3 different screens. I have Outlook on my mobile which is enabled. How does data flow between these 4-5 devices that I as an employee today handling, right? So that's my biggest concern. I think automation advisory or transformation advisory, as we call it, is going to play a critical role. So while we look at a lot of white spaces of transformation, I think it's very important to spend those 5, 10, 12, 16, 20 odd weeks to do a robust due diligence, do a thorough ROI calculation in terms of what can really be automated, right? And I think you should then venture out to some specific use cases that you want to go about automating or transforming, be it with a standalone offering like a RPA, AI, OCR, or using a integrated platform, which is Auditoria and the others, right? Because not everything needs to be transformed. You definitely need to transform what gives you the ROI for you at the end of the day.